What is blockchain? Blockchain is like a digital notebook that records transactions. But here's the difference. Instead of one person or company controlling it, thousands of computers around the world keep the same copy. Every time a transaction happens, it is added as a block. These blocks are linked together in order, forming a chain. This is why it's called blockchain. Once a block is added, it cannot be changed or deleted. That makes it secure and transparent. For example, when you send Bitcoin, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain and anyone can verify it. And it's not just about sending money. Blockchain can be used for smart contracts, NFTs, and even apps that run without central control. This is exactly how Ethereum works, allowing developers to build decentralized applications. So, blockchain is simply a secure system that records transactions without needing a bank. Understand this, and crypto becomes much easier.